To get started, you're going to need to have an account. Go ahead and head to reddit.com. Click the upper right-hand corner to log in and sign up. Start by clicking sign up and inputting your email address and clicking continue. Next, put in your username and password. Try and keep your username cohesive across all platforms to make for an easier translation of fans. After inputting your password, you may be prompted to input a verification to prove you're not a robot but in fact human. After completing the verification process, click Verify and Continue. Next, you will be prompted to answer a series of questions to help establish and design your feed and user profile. You will need to choose at least 3 and click Continue, as well as one community and click Continue. You'll then be prompted to make an avatar or save this for later or upload a profile picture. After your feed is established, you'll need to confirm your email address. You can do this now or at your earliest convenience. Right off the bat, your profile is going to be protected against not safe for work content. You see here when I type in our subreddit, Shop Dirty Merch, within the Reddit search bar, we see posts, but nothing appears within communities. In the upper right hand corner, you'll see your user profile tab. Within this tab contains all of the key and primary general settings to navigate your Reddit profile. Navigate to your user settings. Within your user settings, you're able to control all of your personal preferences and how your Reddit operates. In the Accounts tab, you're able to control all of your not safe for work links within your Reddit user profile. One tab over within the Profile Settings tab, you're going to need to scroll down and enable your profile to be not safe for work, indicating you will be posting adult content. 2 tabs over within the feed settings, you will need to enable adult content to ensure that you are allowed access to viewing the not safe for work side of Reddit. You'll see when we search for Shop Dirty Merch again, Safe Search notifies it is on. Quickly turn that off, search for Shop Dirty Merch, and now it will appear at the top of the search results within communities. Your Reddit is now able to see and post adult content. Here I am quickly joining the subreddit and upvoting a few posts because I enjoy them, downvoting if I don't. In the upper left-hand corner, I can access the subreddits that I join, and I can also favorite them, separating the subreddits I favor and frequent opposed from the ones I don't and do not engage with as often. Heading back to the search bar, you can go ahead and search for keywords that will direct you to the subreddits matching similar criteria. When looking through subreddits, it's important to keep an eye on if they are not safe for work and how many Redditors are in the community. On the right column, you can easily join the subreddits. Once you've successfully joined the Reddit, you need to review any and all rules that may be posted throughout the subreddit. Every subreddit is different, so take your due diligence and review their rules accordingly. We can see here within this subreddit, there's no free trials, a maximum of 3 times posting in 24 hours, amongst various other rules. When you try and create a post, you're also alerted with an additional rule. You need to make sure you abide by any and all rules that are posted throughout the subreddit to avoid posting and resulting in a ban. When searching for subreddits, make note of what other Redditors are saying about the subreddits you're considering joining. You can see here right off the bat at the top of posts, someone is complaining about a moderator within this large community called Asshole Behind Thong. When entering the community, you can see that the moderators have posted a very detailed explanation of what they expect within your posts, as well as a list of rules along the right column where we saw before. Taking a look at the voluptuous subreddit, you can see that the setup is similar. However, they have their verification process listed a bit differently. Right here, you can see that they have their list of requirements with their moderator list right below. As you saw, all subreddits are different. Some, like the OnlyFans girls pages we previewed, require no verification, whereas Asshole Behind Thong had specific requirements and rules for posting and joining listed on the right column along within their comments, whereas some, like Voluptuous, specifically designed a single column for their verification process. Shop Dirty Merch, like many others, has included individual pages that create ease of navigation to where and what net information you may need. All subreddits contain different elements, layouts, and rules to bring uniqueness to all of the differing communities. Shop Dirty Merch features the top monthly seller, provides our event calendar, rules, and more. You can choose your notification settings for specific subreddits and at what frequency you would like to be notified at.